In this video, I will show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Squarespace. So it's very easy. Firstly, open your website on Squarespace and then click on this settings icon in bottom left corner. And from here, you want to choose domains and email, then domains, and use a domain I own. Then click on it and you need to copy your Hostinger domain. So I have this Hostinger domain here. I'm going to paste it in, then click on this arrow. Now you just need to wait a second, and you have two options. You can transfer domain to Squarespace or you can connect it. So I will connect this domain. Then from here you can find your provider. So if you don't see Hostinger here, you just want to click on Other, then connect domain. Next click on Continue. And now you just need to add those 6 records to your DNS records in Hostinger. So first 2 are CNAME records and then 4 records are A records. So this is the type of the record, this is the host or name, and this is the value which you need to copy. So I will copy this first value of CNAME record. I will click on manage next to my domain, then DNS/name servers, then DNS records, and from here you need to make sure you don't have any CNAME or A record existing, so you need to delete them before. And then just need to add those records. So this is the value and this is the name. So this is first CNAME record. Then second one is www CNAME and this is the value. Like this, add record. So now once you have those 2 CNAME records, you can add those A records. So you will have this symbol as a name, then type is A, and then you just have to copy each value of those records. So I will start with this first one, A, this is name and points to. Now second one is this. It might show you that you already have a record created, but the numbers are not same, so you just have to click on confirm. And you have to do it all the time with all A records. And then once you have all those records here, you can go back to Squarespace and click on refresh records. And as you can see, my records are found immediately, but it can take up to 48 hours to propagate your records. And now once your records are found, you can click on view website. And as you can see, it's already using my own domain from Hostinger, but your connection isn't private. So this means our SSL certificate is not verified yet. So you just need to wait. And once the SSL certificate is verified, you can see and you can open your site and it's using Hostinger domain. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.